The selection of a vocation is not an easy task, full stop. Generally, it should be to your advantage to secure assistance from somebody who specializes in vocational counsel, full stop. A discussion with such a person should assist you to make up your mind, full stop. Almost without exception, entrance examinations for those who wish to train for the professions are difficult, full stop. Our gift shop and nations section are two departments of the store which have some exceptional values just now, full stop. You will find it easy to make a selection for there is a wide choice, full stop. If you wish to select some books to take with you on your vacation, we have a wide range of new fiction in our book section, full stop. The chairman said, I should like to have an expression of opinion from the floor, full stop. A motion to go ahead with the transaction was seconded and approved, full stop. A reception at the station is to be planned for the flyer who has just returned from South America, full stop. To the best of my recollection, there was no intention of charging a registration fee for this course, full stop. In anticipation of increased sales, we are opening a branch of our business in the southern section of the city, full stop. We have selected a favorable location and we believe that our chances are exceptionally bright, close.